Beware of pyramid schemes.
So every year, one of these pyramid schemes come to Jamaica and other Caribbean countries, and people fall for them. Anything that sound too good to be true, it is too good to be true. So I'm gonna look through them website, like it look shabby, and the picture here just look blurry. And them actually steal the name from this big company in America when you want a media. Them people are smart, so you have to be smarter. So when you Google their name, you say, yeah, Warner Media come up, a big company, man, a big, then they on Google them and you see it. Just like last year with Global Manpower, they actually steal the name from a recruitment agency named Global Manpower. So not because you come and you see them and give you like a goodie bag to kids and they stop them like a meeting and them shirt and them look professional and them sound intelligent and like, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Me and them legit. And anybody can go print off one certificate at the internet cafe. Hello. So these are them profile, and as you can see with them pay USDT. For you see T on your cryptocurrency, so you know say you can't track them because they don't pay through bank. People stay far from them stuff here. I mean, no next year I'll come in. You no matter what they want for name, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, stay far from them. Right? People say, you may make a quick money and come out. Them something come like bam, boom, and then they explode and you lose the money. And you ball. Stay far from them. Anything we have to deposit money, if you get money, a pyramid scheme, and it will crash. Because money we have deposit have to pay people them before you. And the people them where you recruit have to pay money. For their money have to pay you. So just don't do them things, alright? Next year when I come in, people them fall feet. So we could just see and watch, alright?